Why would a doctor need a search engine optimization strategy? In a world where a vast majority of health-related inquiries begin online, the visibility of healthcare services on search engines can literally be a matter of life and wellness. Today we dive into the world of healthcare SEO services, a specialized approach that ensures healthcare providers appear right where patients are looking, online. SEO, or search engine optimization, is paramount in the healthcare industry. It's not just about being found, it's about being found first, and more importantly, being found credible. Let's explore the 7 pivotal benefits that healthcare SEO services offer. When healthcare websites are optimized for search engines, they attract more visitors. This isn't just about numbers, it's about bringing more potential patients who are actively seeking health-related information and services to your digital doorstep. Through meticulous keyword research and content optimization, healthcare providers can achieve higher search rankings. This means when someone searches for health services, your website stands a better chance of appearing on the coveted first page of search results. An effective SEO strategy helps establish your site as a reliable source of information. High-quality, informative content backed by proper SEO practices builds trust with your audience, which is crucial in the healthcare sector. With SEO, your visibility isn't just about being seen, it's about being seen by the right people at the right time. Optimizing for local SEO ensures that your practice appears in search results when potential patients in your area are looking for the healthcare services you provide. SEO complements other marketing strategies. By increasing the organic reach of your website, every dollar spent on other forms of advertising becomes more effective, creating a synergistic effect on your overall marketing efforts. Investing in SEO offers a measurable return on investment. Tools and analytics enable healthcare providers to see exactly how their SEO efforts are paying off, and competitive analysis helps them understand where they stand in the market. While SEO is known for its long-term benefits, certain strategies can yield quicker wins. Quick optimizations and local SEO tactics can rapidly improve traffic and patient inquiries, leading to accelerated business growth. In conclusion, healthcare SEO is not just a digital marketing tool, it's a comprehensive strategy that enhances visibility, builds credibility, and drives patient engagement. By integrating SEO into your healthcare marketing, call now 91888 16888.